Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you preview a web gallery in your computer's default browser before saving or uploading the gallery. This tool is very helpful if you want to see what your web photo gallery will look like online before actually uploading it. To preview a web photo gallery, display the gallery in the web module. Then click the Preview in Browser button below the left panel group. Depending on your computer's settings and the number of web browsers you have installed, a pop-up message may prompt you to select a browser to use for the display. Also, depending on the size of the gallery, you may notice a progress bar in the upper left corner of the web module as the preview is assembled. When the preview is ready, Lightroom displays the web gallery in a browser window. You can see by looking in the browser's address bar that the browser is just showing the content from a local file on your computer. However, you can still preview and navigate the web gallery as if it were online. You can click thumbnails and links within the web gallery preview to test its functionality. To exit the preview, simply close your browser window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.